again.
Sea pork.
4.
Pork. Sea pork.
How many times?
Sea pork. Sea pork. Sea pork.
4. Okay.
Pork.
Okay, what's next?
What are you gonna use for soup?
A spoon, of course. I'm not brain dead, bro. I ain't brain dead, bro. And your armpit look like your hair. Goodbye. Come on, I'm having my walk. Okay.